Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are playing Starbucks with this boat again, but there's a good reason actually. There's a very good reason why I'm doing this, because I need to do something that I didn't get to do in the last Sinking Ship Survival in this, and I'm like dedicated to do. I wanted to escape in that helicopter, but then that kind of failed, but we don't talk about that. But I failed, so then now I'm just gonna go onto a wall. I'm just gonna go, and in this video, out of all my freaking power, I am escaping in that helicopter. There's no way I'm not. There's no way. No way. Let me just power this thing on. Also, I missed these buttons. I like the generators. I'm like, oh, that's probably why the power kept shutting off. Okay, we got the engines on right as I can't land this boat now. No. Yes. Okay, yeah, that's good. There we go. Okay, we got the power on in here. I know where the light switch is, isn't it? Wait, wasn't there a light switch in here? I know there was one. Apparently it's... I don't know. I found it earlier. I was in the boat trying to find, like, light switches and stuff, but, okay. I also found out where the light switches is, so there's one here. Here's the one I couldn't find. And we have the one here. There we go. Look at that. We got a whole functioning light area. I'm pretty sure there's one in here too. Forgot what it was. Probably. Oh wait. Oh yeah, I remember. It was Wait, what? Was it? It was. I am so confused. I swear it was like that. Maybe it's down here. No. Okay, it's fine. We don't need lights in here anyway. I mean, I hunted for like a while just to find them. Wait, hold on. Maybe it's in here. And also, yeah, there's a secret room here. I didn't even know. There we go. What's this? Oh. Oh. That is so well in. Like, what flare even is this? Oh, it's like, oh my gosh, I've always walked past that. That's crazy. Let's light this thing on up. I know where the deck lights are. They're all right here. You just go up each flare to do that. Like, you just keep on doing it all the way up to this flare. So there's 3 flares you should do that on. And then your yacht should be all glowing up. And then you go to the, captain's area, which is not that way, it's this way. I'm slowly remembering this boat just because I've been in this so many times. So if you didn't see the other one, you may be like, where the flip is the helicopter? I will show you where the helicopter is. Let me just, get out of here. Okay. We're good. Okay. Let's make sure we're clear from the docks. Yep, we are clear. We are just gonna cruise out this way if I'm correct. We should be completely safe. And then all the way out there. Yeah, and I had my waypoint back from when I was testing a boat. So I'm gonna go ahead and back one. No, don't teleport there. Oh my god, that would've been. Okay, so hop out the seat, turn the light on. Oh. I know that sound from a mile away. What? I had like the natural disaster sound for like a quick second. And I was like, oh, okay, well, the game's gonna put a natural disaster. Nope. So here is the helicopter. It is, I couldn't figure out how to fly it before, but, it literally turns out the switch is lighting where my head was, and it was, like, stabbing through my head to where I couldn't see them, and then, yeah. So that's how we're gonna escape. It was literally like, let me get it up and running to where when we have to get out, we don't have to worry about it touching the bottom, we die. We don't need that display powers. Let's take a look at that. Like, who would have seen that? So we just have to flip that, dome light. Oh, I remember that. That was like blinding. But what the flip? I can't click this. But let me sit in the passenger seat. I cannot click these ones. Nav lights? Yes. Okay. I can't turn the nav lights on here for some reason. I don't know. I've tried it. Also, I've tried getting out of this. It's not easy. You have to crawl out through the back somehow. Okay, so we've got the whole thing set up now. We just have to hop in, flip that switch. In fact, let me try it just like make sure because it would suck if I like. Yep. And then we just have to detach it, but I know how to do that. Can't we just like, yeah. Let me just detach it like that, which I tried that last time, but apparently it didn't. Well, no, not apparently, it didn't work. So like now it does go apparently. So, oh look, speaking of helicopter, he's got a cargo crate on him too. Meow. Oh, that's a big cloud. Oh wait, he's in front of it, okay. That actually looks like a cool plane. Helicopter. Okay. Well, have fun. There's a big stem on the way. Wait, hold on. Let's see what happens to him. Nothing. Just chill. Okay. Well, so our main worry right now is this touching water. I'm pretty sure when you use touch water, it's not really fun. Oh, he's open. Okay, well, so now you know. What do you mean? So it looks like it is very windy out. Nice. Yeah. So what we're gonna do is, you know what, just so this sinks, at least somewhat fast, because I just want to test this one. Literally, I think that would just be a cool thing to do. Test the helicopter. But, wait, was I come down here for again? Oh wait, yeah, I come down here for again. Oh wait, we're gonna use power. Oh, so what we gotta do is we got to let me shut the window up for a quick second. So what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna explore it real quick, and then also you all to the solar and talking outside this happening. Also because I'm not gonna this about that happening. Why not these? I know how to make it sync. Remember when I accidentally flipped that switch on this? It exploded them. Explode. Hello? Your nail's supposed to explode. Why aren't they exploding? How long is good? Ooh. Okay, well, I guess I can go from there. What if I do this? Why won't these open? Does the boat need to be stopped? There's a chance the boat needs to be stopped for these to actually open. Hold up. We'll be right back after this typical elevator ride. Okay, hurry up. Okay, let's see, I suppose I have no clue. I think we need to stop the boat. Just kind of funny. It's like, yeah, you can't have this open while you're driving, even though it was open last time, but, I swear I just had an explosion, not gonna lie, like, quiet one. So I turn my volume down while I was playing more, it was kind of loud. Oh my gosh, thank goodness, I think I just had an explosion. Why won't you open? Why don't you open? I should have bought Seafair and just blowing the thing open. Maybe I need the lamps on. I don't know. Ah, that's what the lamps does. Ah, I see, I see. Okay, well then we go out. Eee. Have a great trip. Where do we let go? Well, we can't, we have to hop on, let go of it, and then we can keep on going. Well, we getting kinda low in the water, considering how the water's almost entering here. It's not kinda unsafe. Oh my gosh, we just got hit by lightning. So let's hurry up before I get bonked by lightning in the head. Yeah, cause this will be, oh, not be good. Alright, what's up? Okay. Try to come off the side. Try to come off the side. I got an idea. Hold, come here. Gonna attach one. I got an idea. This will be fun. It's gonna go how I expect it to. Okay, now hop up here. I'm gonna drag the boat. Okay, let's go. And it's also gonna sink the boat, so that's a win for us, I guess. We're gonna do this. We're gonna go through here. We're gonna do it more. We'll close this one. Let's go. Sink. Well, yeah, damage the boat, because that's going to whack right into the side. That's another way to sink the boat. And it'll probably blow up the engine, and that'll be even a bigger damage. And it'll blow up the second engine, and that'll be even more damage, and then it'll just make the whole thing sink. I guess, yeah, I'd totally block that out. I'm totally not just hoping that happens. Oh my goodness. Look at him. He's like, ah! Dragging a boat off the side. This is not going how I wanted it to, actually. That is not going at all how I planned it. I actually planned it to just whack into the side and blow up the engine. So I think the engine's a little off the wall, so I wouldn't actually blow up the engine. But hey, it'll do some damage to the engine. Hey, buddy, what you doing over here? Are you hanging in there? That's a good thing. Okay. Wait, can I, like... Oh, jeez. Please, wait for me. Okay, it's fine. What's that? Why is the boat underwater? Oh, it's not. It's like... Oh, okay. Now I see. Okay. So that was probably a stupid idea. I didn't think it would be yanking up the side. Yeah, I probably should have stopped the boat to do that, but you know what? I'm not the most intelligent person, so it's fine. Like the lightning split in between the boat. That was close. I'm not gonna see the boat dragging, so it's on the other side. Did it stop? No, I don't think it did. This thing's going slow. Holy moly. I think we might have damaged the engine actually. See how slow this thing's going. Like this, I mean, it seems like when you're on the boat, it goes faster than this. But it is moving. You can see by the water is deflecting off of the thing. So I know how to do this. I practice this in case it ever happens. And then my practice fails. Yeah, that's a great practice. So maybe I should have jumped early. I don't know. When I jumped like that before, I did. Stop throwing me down water. I'm turning the waves off. Why are you so bouncy? Come on, come on, come on. Look at the boat. It's really just like hanging off the side over there. But what if I get on the boat? Like the tiny boat? That ain't gonna help. I'll just be getting dragged by the boat the whole way. What if I hop in? Ooh, wait, I'm glad I opened that door now. Look, watch this. I didn't make it in, but I hopped up on here like I did the one time when I practiced this. Oh my gosh. Yes. Okay, see, I told you, I knew I was going to actually get it. That was just luck. I was actually trying to jump into the dirt. Wait, that distracted me though when I did that actually. Wow, that's crazy. So you jump when you're at the dirt, a little bit further, and then you stream. Maybe not. Maybe I spammed it. I don't know what I did, but it's somewhat like it, I could say. Yeah. Okay, what's up? How are we doing? Great, okay. So now we're gonna, wait, no. Wait. Winch down. It's not going down. Okay, well, that's fine. Need water to clean this, so in that case we're going to go to custom mode and we're going to put the window. And then we are going to run out of here. Oh, yeah, that's not working. Oh yeah, that's gonna do some damage. Oh yeah, that's nice. Possibly do some damage. So 100% guaranteed damage. It's like a wall of water, that's kind of funny. There ain't no water getting in here, that is kind of annoying. I did this so water could get in, not just go right by, so you know what? I'm gonna go here, and I'm gonna go here, and I'm gonna go bunk. Okay, there we go, now we should have water coming in. Oh! Oh, they're big, but they're not letting me no water in. Uh-oh. That's not the way to go. Okay, yeah, I mean, I could just, actually, you know what I could do? I could, close. Hey, crap, I'm gonna pull the window. Okay, now you can oops. Man, we damaged the boat. Oh my goodness. Are you serious? It's broken. To be fair, look at it. It's like half destroyed, so what would you expect? Okay, let's close this one. Now can water come in? Like we can settle over here and then plug it? Or is it all just going into the There's none coming in. No matter what I do, there's just none coming in. How do I get this to flood? How come I want it to flood, it doesn't flood, but when I don't want it to flood, it just floods? It makes no sense on that. Gosh dang, this sucks. It's like literally destroyed. Wait, hold up. I might be able to. I might. Come on, here's part. I see the problem. Yes, I did it. Guys, I did it. It was the hinge that busted when we opened this one. And water should flood in, right? That's if I'm intelligent. I don't think any water is coming in. I'm trying my hardest here. Look at me, I'm really holding a door open for water to come in. Okay, now I got it. Maybe, since I did that little, like, what's this? Another button? What the? Oh. I thought it was falling off the side, but yeah, my bad, it opens. Okay, well that's not supposed to do or nothing. Oh, wait, Let's go ahead and turn this down for a quick second just so I don't have to get washed away. Jeez, that was one I almost got washed away actually. Yes! We're gonna flood this boat now. Okay. Now we go. Wind! On. Okay, yeah, this is oh, see him. Okay, good. Go. Why are we gonna push it back? Leap up, leap the face. All the way up to the sky. Why is it purple up here? I cannot tell you why. Wheelhouse. Oh my goodness. Okay. So we need to start making this one somehow. How far away can we get from if we go this direction, we can get pretty far away. I see some water in there, actually. Yes, so... this is going I'm trying to get this one. You know what? Why don't I just send a freaking I'm actually that stupid. I just do a turn with the one. Oh, Mr. Meg. Please help me sink my boat. Oh, there's a lot of water in there, actually. I don't think the Megalodon was necessary. I don't know if it's actually, I'm just saying, what's all that water in there, you know? Let's go ahead and go in the further. Let's see if my plan is working. It's on water into the engine. No, it's not running water into it. It's running water into this thing. So this one's not getting any water in it. The engine has no water and up this circuit. Maybe this no, it's not. So my plan did not work. Okay. So maybe the Megalodon was necessary. Yeah, it's definitely been alright. It just shoots out. So I am trying my best to I have like really everything open that possibly like auto and it's not doing anything. I got an idea. Ooh, okay. It's like my last shot. It's fully my last shot. Let's say this for next time it's a fair blow. I so have a kind of comes down to just walking and things like this. Oh yes it is this way. Oh okay. Okay, let's go ahead and open this. Yes. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Hold on. This way. Oh my gosh, it's not my lawn already. Okay, so that's kind of cover. A little bit more ways of water coming. I don't know how much more though. I'm trying to think of anything else that can open up that can possibly cause like a good amount of water to come in. I could go to like Halifax Island, get some seafood and then some on the bottom and open the place. I think that's a good idea. But that's also a dangerous idea and risky idea. Why are we turning up so much? Oh my gosh, we might actually be running out of water if we got that. What we got now? Oh my gosh, we got it good now. Like, we don't got too much, but... all the water just washed out now. Oh my gosh, it's all washing out. I swear I'm hitting a lot. Please fly away. Beautiful boy. Oh my goodness. So this is definitely not going as planned, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. Like, you know what I'm gonna do? You know what I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this. And I'm gonna look. I'm gonna can't drop anchors. Okay, that's cool. And then I'm gonna go map. I'm gonna click here. There's a lake. I'm gonna set a waypoint. So we are about, well no, we are about right there. Okay, so then I'm gonna go all the way over here, right here, hit the open key. Big what the fuck, you just messed up the whole thing again. And I'm gonna go over here, and I'm gonna, why do I have this? Oh wait, yeah, I have the, little thingy-mabobber. Okay, then we're gonna go here, and then we're gonna go to say load this, and we're gonna go spawn. Let's do this in case I ever have to destroy something for a video or anything like that. I'm trying to quickly sync something that will not sync. Okay, we're gonna grab a freaking belt of that, and then we're gonna go map. Let's test my theory if this will work. Which I've already tried this, and there's some videos I've done it with, but I've never actually done it. I've never actually posted it for something at all, and I can't post the video, but yeah, it's fine. Like, the boat didn't sink, it fell off the boat while I was sinking, and it just kept driving away, and no one got to see it sink, and there's no point of making a video off of that. It's called sinking ship. Like, my boat sank even though I didn't get to see it. Like, once I just know a boat sank, but not see it. What the flip? Sky Lounge. Wait, no, we don't want to go on the Sky Lounge. Sky Lounge is for people who suck. We want to go to the bottom deck one, the main saloon. Why did I go on here, actually? That was the stupidest idea I ever done. Okay, I know exactly what I'm doing now. Hey, what's up, engine room? Hey, you like Seafair? Oh, you don't? Well, that's sad, because I'm about to blow you up with it. Yeah. So we might want to get far away from this, but we are gonna be toast if we don't. Yeah, you bet you wanna go real. Please let me up here faster. Why do these steps have to suck so much? How do you get up these steps every freaking day if you're rushing? Like, oh no, the boat's on fire. You're gonna die because you can't get the steps. Yeah. Oh my gosh, I made it. My game froze. My game freaking froze. Oh my gosh. What? Oh, both engines are on fire. Both engines are on fire. That's gonna let in a bunch of water. If I look at the bottom, it should be all destroyed. Oh my gosh, yeah. Look at that circle of destruction. Okay. Time to go. Oh jeez. Oh god. Oh my gosh, I hate how shift and tab equals the main menu. So I'm trying to like run, and then I want to go in the third person. I have to stop on and just like do it. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, there's an oil leak. I wonder why. Okay, let's go ahead and why can't we detach this? We can't detach it. Why? I can't get away if it's not letting me detach it. Oh, jeez. Why are we not flying up? Come on, we gotta break free. Come on. Yeah, it's not letting us out. Oh no. Why isn't there something that like detaches these? Like, ugh, it's always these freaking, yeah, these stupid little thingies over here. Come in there. It's always these. It's always you. Oh goodness. Wait. Please stop. Please stop freaking out. Wait. Helipad's clear. You can go. Let's go. Come on. Go. Apparently flying. Come on. Please. Oh, that's off. That's quite a lot. Where did that... Are you serious right now? We lost the blades. The blades just disappeared. They went to heaven or something. I don't know. Where the fuck did they go? They took off the valves, I guess. I don't even think we're sinking, to be completely honest. I don't know. I think we're sinking. I see. There's a lot of fire, but there's no sinking. So I guess we're not taking a helicopter because that ain't gonna happen. So I guess we gotta, just say our goodbye to something. I don't know, because the boat's gone too. Where did the boat even go? I don't know where that other boat went. Hey, are you just chilling over here? I am so confused where it went. Which is okay. Do we see any boats over there? I see it. I see it way out there. That is actually hilarious. It's just flying like, yeah, what's up? Uh-oh. That's probably not good. Yeah, okay, our only hope is the jet ski, so let's go down there and get them. I don't even know if they're still not disintegrated. I think by the time we get down there, we're gonna be disintegrated to death. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Staircase, yes. Okay, come on, come on, come on. Come on, please, yes, come on. Come on, buddy. How are we supposed to... How are we supposed to get this out if we just have to push it? That's kind of, like, inconvenient. How's my guy doing this? They're freaking, like, superhero or something? How the flip is he pushing this thing? Come on. Oh, come on. This little boat does not want to go out. Wait, hold it. Yeah. Yeah. Oh my gosh, come on. Jeez. Oh my gosh, come on. Wait, we're actually so close. Go. Go, 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 go. Uh-oh. Well, that went well. Okay, well, there goes that one. Oh, we got one more to go. This one does not have damage somehow. Come on. Go. Get over. Gee, this one's like right next to the fire though. That's what I don't like about it. Come on, come on. Come on. Come on. I can just stand on the bottom of these if I have to. I just need to get these out. Come on. In. Flip. Flip. Please flip. Please flip. Please flip. No, 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 no. Please. Please. Please, little Betsy. Please, I need you. Oh! I think I was like flipping it over a little bit. Oh my gosh, it's almost flipped. Come on, come on. I think it's top heavy, to be honest. Come on. So dick. Best at this point. Come on. Come on. Is there like a seat on this one? Oh. Yes! Yes! We did it! Oh my gosh, we survived. We didn't survive on the helicopter, like I said, but hey, we made it on a jet ski. That's pretty good, I mean, like, I guess you could say. It's not as good as me getting out on a helicopter, but that's fine. But next video I'll do that. But I think I might take a break from this for a quick video. Cause that... Dang, no, we got away from that. It's not even that big of a fire yet. It's like nice and slow, you know, just one. But I think I know what all of y'all clicked on this video for. You want to see it sink. So in that case, I'm gonna make it. So let's go ahead and light the helicopter on fire, because I'll just get the front on fire too. Dang, that's a lot of miles away. Oh, no, meters. Oh. Alright, so we're gonna park right here. It's fine if it hits, we practically survive. Oh my goodness, yeah, this is Please don't hit right where the fire is. That's the dumbest spot for you to hit. Like, oh, yippee, fire. Let's just walk, drive, float, I don't know. Let's float right into fire. That's a great idea, you know, just like, yeah. Okay, let's go. Yep, there we go, we got the fire. There's my lifeboat. Not my lifeboat, my jet ski. Come on, come on, come on. It's so close to the fire. Whew. Okay, didn't catch on fire. That's a good one. Good thing, good one. Oh my gosh, yep, that is the boat. I mean, it's not gonna sink too fast, but I probably could just go see at the bottom of it and then start sinking like super fast. I'm surprised we didn't get on fire at all. We didn't get damaged. Yeah, look at the inside. The other one's flipped, but it's fine. I don't know if he just popped in or flip itself right on over. I had a feeling these were gonna flip. I was like, oh, these are kind of tiny, so maybe it's gonna flip. Please don't fall into the boat again. I was gonna go hop off and... Okay. No, it's better than hitting the boat than just go floating out off into space. There we go, there's some damage there. Maybe we'll scooch away over there, okay. Okay, let's go ahead and get 2 on the bottom, the final 2. Let's get 1 there. I'm gonna go get 1 way down here in the middle. And then we're gonna go. That should do enough damage. Okay, let's go ahead and swim up. You can tell it's lower in the water now, but that's fine. It's just going to sink faster then. Because usually them blue lights are just on the verge of coming out from the water now. Look at them. Yep, look at that boat. It's just, it's going down. It may take a while, but that's just fine. It's just a boat. Like, you know, you can't just rush a boat. If you rush a boat, that's just kind of rude. Yeah. I need to add, like, fire grenades. So I'm just light the whole thing on fire and watch it. And yes, so my boat caught on fire. To be honest, I could tell you why too, because I learned at the same time. Helicopter's still on fire over there, but to be struggling. Looks like the fire on the back is gonna come out soon. Because, let's see if eventually gonna get covered up in water. When I first beat up, you could fly the helicopter. I was like, hey, you can do that. I was like, oh. When I figured out how to, I knew you could fly it. I figured out how to, and I actually flew it right into the tower and it caught the top of the building on fire, and the bottom of the building on fire, and it was like, you know, the whole boat was just like a giant fireball. Yeah, this is actually pretty fun to ride on, actually. Yeah. No, if every life boat was like this, it would be a lot more fun. If you could fit a lot less people. Yep. The back of the boat is definitely on fire. That back gate closed when it did that. I know we can hold it too. I think it just like closed shut for like really no reason. Yeah, I think we caused a good amount of damage today. Very good amount of damage. Like that's not really going to go. You could see the flares like in the boat just burning. The fun's like not really on fire, but the helicopter just hanging off on the side now. Yep. So there's the boat. It's really struggling. Okay, it's not like this one. So, whoa, okay, yeah, that's fire. Oh my gosh, look at the inside. Look at how much it's turned up in there. Jeez, that's crazy. Oh my gosh, it's burnt all the way down these halls. Oh my goodness, look at the whole boat. It's really different. Okay, here's the floor I haven't gone to yet. Oh, never mind, it has gone to. Oh my gosh, look at the elevator. I think it fell down. Didn't I have it up here? I think it fell down. Here's the elevator. Wait a minute. I'm swimming. Uh-oh. Oh my gosh, this floor is almost completely flooded. And then the fire's up on this floor. So the fire's like 1 floor above the water. The water's catching up to it though. Actually, no, I think the water's coming in and then going in that. Oh my gosh. Yeah, look at it. It's rising. Yeah, so this is a pretty intense sinking because it's fire and water. Oh gosh, the hallway to the cabin is barely touched. How's cabin 8 going? Perfectly fine. How about this one? This is not even a cabin. Oh my gosh, look at all the water down there. Yeah, this is, we would have gone away in the helicopter, but, yeah, we kinda... Oh my goodness, the outside. Yeah, the outside, it's burning right now. Look at this. Okay, yeah, so this floor's burning. Also, I'm invincible, that's why I'm walking and running through fire. Up here, it's nice and cool. Oh, well, we can't turn the pool on. Makes sense. Up the fire's coming up to here, oh my goodness. So yeah, the fire's just chasing me, kind of. Like, I come up here and it's like, ah. If I filled the pool, I could just dump it all over it. Oh my gosh, yeah, look at the water over the back deck. So yeah, it's sinking. It's gonna sink fast because the fire's doing so much damage. And look at it, it's just burning everything. Okay, yeah, I should probably move because the fire is definitely up here now. It's not up here on the floor yet, but it's definitely up here on the outside. Yeah, so the outside of the boat's gonna look pretty rough after this thing. You know, I can make a video of what this looks like after this thing. I'll leave my PC on for like 20 minutes later just to see if it's all the way down yet. Sometimes these big boats take a while to go down. Now, I want to see what happens to the helicopter. It's chilling. I mean, I wouldn't say it's probably the happiest it's ever been. It's probably like the struggling, like, why am I here? Why am I stuck here? Why am I just sitting on the edge of here? Because you have to. I'm gonna leave you a detonator in case you ever need it. And we're gonna go try to hunt down that detonator. Yep. So we almost made it. Oh wow. That's when I blew it up. Put a good old hole in the helipad. Yeah, wait, let's go into the owner's suite, which is my suite. So I'm just gonna go in here. Let's go close this. And nothing's gonna happen. I'm just gonna sit here and do absolutely nothing. How's my bathroom? Looking kinda nice. Yeah, it's, I think it's the end of the boat. Oh. So the fire made it up to this flare. Y'all open the door for the fire. Come in. Oh yeah, now it's coming in. How about in here? Oh my goodness. It's like pounding on the windows, it looks like. It's like, ah! That side's perfectly fine. Over here, it's just, oh no, it's, getting in. But, yeah, oh wait, oh my goodness. What happened in here? Why is it there? This probably from the engine room explosion. The very, big explosions. Oh. I was saying he was close, look at him. Oh, oh jeez. There's a lot of fire in that food. Yeah. Okay. Well, I'm sure it's fine. Yeah, it's alright. Fine. This thing's fine. Yeah, you could just chill now. Never mind. How about in here? The elevator's looking, pretty beaten. Yeah. Look at the water. Like, the water is up to this flare now. Oh my goodness, look at all the water that's coming in here. So look, the fire is no longer on this flare because the water's overcoming it. See? It's slowly flooding up this flare now. Yeah, I'll let water come in here. Gotta let this thing sink fast, you know, if you guys want to see that leftover of the boat. Okay, we're gonna open up all these. VIP suite. Oh wow, this is nice. But, yep, it's not gonna be nice much longer. Well, it's flowing right on through here. Yep, so that flare's flooded. There's still some fire up here, like that little spark of it. I don't know why they look like that. There we go, that's gonna start flooding a lot faster now. I'm just trying to open up the flare so the water can overcome it. Yeah, see this? This is ridiculous. So you know what? I can just end the video, then you guys can see what it looks like after it's finished, but that would be cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me building a landing ship, I guess. Let me get on top so you guys can see what's left of it. Okay, let's just make our way up. Yep, so this flare is struggling. So here's the final flare, the last flare to ever be touched, and the fire's making its way. So I'm gonna make it so you can see like the whole side of the boat, because I'm gonna make sure it's the side that looks the most destroyed, which I know which side that is. That's this one. Because this is the only side it's actually like somewhat burning. Okay, so let's go here, here. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As you can see, the whole boat is on fire now. I mean, you guys can. I will post a video of what this thing looks like after it's done burning. Like, just look at this. Isn't that crazy? And where's my jet ski? I don't even know where my jet ski went. It said goodbye. So yeah, this thing is pretty crazy. Just seeing how it sank. Oh, I found my jet ski. It's kind of flipped over here. Yeah, you can just see all of the damage that's happened. Like, the helicopter didn't light anything on fire by itself, which is incredible. It even is on fire. I don't think it even is on fire. I think it's just flashing. Oh, it's just one of them fire glowing herb thing. Yeah, so that's all the damage that has happened. It's pretty insane, and you guys get to see it when it's done all the way going down the boat. That's not it. I'll hunt that thing down later. So yeah, well, as you can see, it's going down. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You will see one probably a little after this of it fully underwater. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.